What are the other rigs getting fixed here apart from our Fortuner? There, FJ Cruiser, Nissan Patrol. I have a few more rigs here. There, Trailblazer, FJ, other FJ, Hilux with good lifts. Kuya Alex trailer. We have Kuya Alex.
Yes, kay Pablo, nililip.
Anong ginagawa?
Nililip na, nililip. Si Kuya Pablo naman natin. Actually, si Kuya Pablo is our founder ng Overland Club of the Philippines.
Yes.
Then, ito yung rig niya, LC200. Isipin mo, LC200 ayos originally, naka 2-inch lip na siya, naka BP51 na siya na suspension. Then, medyo sumasayad pa din kaya mag-additional lift tayo ng 2 inches for the body. Actually, yung sabi nga natin, there's always a first time. First time namin maglilip ng LC200. So, fingers crossed. Pero okay naman. Kaya tinanggal to kasi kailangan natin i-reposition ng radiator. I-double check natin kung yung sa steering column niya is ma-overextend ba, baka mahugot. Pero kanina nag-check na kami, mukhang hindi naman. Ayan, kaya kalas yung harapan. Then medyo na-challenge kami kasi ang laki ng setup sa likod done by Overland Kings. Yung mga cabinets, tanggal talaga lahat kasi kailangan namin yung mga tornilyo niya. Kaya eto, let's watch na lang kung ano maging finished product.
Yes.
Hopefully maganda.
Coming soon.
Okay.
Coming soon. Only here at Overland Club of the Philippines.
Okay.
Alright. Bye. Okay, so rig maintenance, and we're replacing the cooling system. So we're with Kuya Alex. So ako, I know the reason why I'm doing this, pero maganda nang kay Kuya Alex mismo, the expert galing. So bakit tayo nagpapalit ng buong cooling system despite na ang damage lang naman ay ayan,
Small ito lang.
Small.
Nag-cut yung radiator kasi meron siyang parang bypass tubing return. Ito lang, actually pwede siyang i-remedy Pwede naman, walang problema, may mga remedies tayo dyan. Kaya lang, why take the risk? Kasi unang-una, sa ano natin, sa mga travels natin, pupunta tayong province, minsan remote areas. Paano kung doon lumala yung problem? Kaya, why take the risk kung pwede mo na ma-actionan na ngayon? Diba? Katulad nito, sooner or later, papalitan mo rin naman siya talaga. Kaya kung meron naman talagang pang budget for this, gawin na. Also, parang preventive maintenance mo, since from original pa tong si Fortuner, hindi pa siya napapalitan ng radiator, hose, upper, lower, even thermostat. Sinabay na para at least alam mo yung may peace of mind kapag bumabiyahe ka. Minsan hindi mo mababayaran yung mga yan Talagang yung peace of mind mo na hindi ka kinakabahan na anytime baka mag-breakdown, anytime baka mag-overheat. Especially Kuya Robbie here, kasama niya ang kanyang only one daughter and wife. Both girls isipin mo, kung magkaroon ng problem, shutdown, okay lang kung all boys tayo. Kahit matulog tayo sa tabi, walang problema. Pero mahirap na pagkasama natin ang family. Kaya why take the risk? Kung pwede mo na actionan right now, andito ka sa Manila, bago bumiyahe, gawin na, di ba? Yun, isang simple lang yan, simple rule. Although prepared naman tayo, kahit ako may mga dala akong tools or pero syempre alam mo dapat pumunta ka, nandun ka na ng 7 AM, darating ka after lunch. Di ba ang laking problem dun sa sa schedule nyo, habol kayo ng habol. Kung wala sana aberya, di ba on time tayo lagi. Yun lang, that simple na lang. At least ma-solve mo kung meron kang makitang problem. Simple oil leak, aksyonan mo na. Overheating problem, aksyonan mo na. Kasi pag yan ang lumala sa daan, ang problem mo, may mabibilan ka ba ng pyesa? May pera ka pero wala ka mabilan ng pyesa, di ba?
Wala na. Nagpupunta tayo mga remote areas,
yan.
hard to reach places.
Mahirap talaga.
Yep, alright.
Yan lang.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ito yung damage, oh. Bali. Ayan. So, removal. There we go. Old and new radiators. Cool.
FJ Cruiser ni Kuya Bong, one of our member and also a very active member na OCP. Ito kasi ngayon, ipe-prepare natin siya for overlanding, camping, and some sort of a little bit trailing options para dito sa FJ na to. So, ang request ni Kuya Bong is number one is to put a snorkel. Very basic and very important. Then another thing is naka 2-inch slip na siya. Then we'll put another additional 2 for the body. Kaya combination ng 2-inch suspension lip, then another 2-inch for body lip. Then other basic stuff like two-way radios. Actually, ang install natin sa kanya is base radio. So, kasi handheld is hindi reliable during very long travel kasi charge ka ng charge. Kung base radio, at least wala kang problem sa power. Then yung reach maganda kasi maganda yung antenna natin na gagamitin. Then of course some say na tinasabing natin na yung mga abu-bots, accessories, lagyan siya ng overhauled consoles. Then ito ipaplan pa niya for wings. Then the other thing siguro yung basic PMS natin, double check ng preno, lahat. Yan, para at least ready na tayo for overlanding, camping, and trailing.
Correct. Yes, thank you. Very nice. Ang ganda na ng mods niya currently, di ba? So, meron na siyang steel bumper with worn driving lights. I think this is the H4. So, dual siya, high beam, low beam driving lights, ano? And it's currently on 295 Nito Trail Grapplers. These are very good tires for off-road use. So yeah, naka-regear na rin to, di ba?
I think nabanggit ni Kuya Bong, naka-regear na rin siya.
Yeah.
Kaya okay na okay if magko-convert. Kasi actually nagpapacheck siya sa akin ng 16-inch na steel bead lock. Then ra-wrap natin siya ng 35-inch na tire.
Yeah, ready na siya for 35 because naka-regear.
If may budget, no, if may budget naman, no, I suggest magdalawa tayo ng set of tires. If may budget. Kasi alam mo, during overlandings, usually malalayo biyahe natin. To make the travel easier and comfortable, syempre mas maganda yung all-terrain or yung very fine type ng tires. Yun yung gamitin mo for overlanding. Pero pag trails, meron tayong mga technical part na pupuntahan, like muddy trail, rocky trail. I suggest meron tayong pang off-road tires talaga. Yung medyo aggressive ng konti, kung talagang magbubuo tayo ng 2 sets of tires. I suggest kung may budget, walang problema kasi kung meron naman, at least easier for you sa trail, is comfortable for you for travel. Yun yung suggestion ko.
Alright. Cool.
Yun ang plan ni Kuya Bong.
Okay.
Kaya nice one.
Thank you, Kuya Alex.